it's Darion Marie, aka Oybella. In today's video, as you guys can already tell, we are doing this super cute hairstyle with this bun and two bangs. I absolutely love this hairstyle and I'm definitely going to be doing it way more often. Anyway, let's jump straight into it. So as you guys can see right now, all I'm doing is just straightening out my hair. I'm not really trying to get it super straight, but I am trying to get it straight enough so that it fits into this bun perfectly. So that's just what I'm doing here. Before I ended up doing this, I did go ahead and give myself a hot oil treatment. I washed my hair, I deep conditioned it, I did all of the proper steps. I also of course use heat protectant, all that funky fun stuff. So that is all that I did, and we are now just straightening it. Now that my hair is all straightened out, what I'm going to start doing is sectioning off the part of my hair that I want to create the bang with. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then after that, I'm just going to pop my hair into a bun. Once the box and the bun is created, I'm now going to take some edge booster and just pop this all over my hair. And also what I did was I sectioned off my edges, I guess you could call them. So I'm doing all that, molding the bun, just making it really nice and sleek and flat. And yeah. If you're someone that has a relatively coarse, super curly hair, definitely try Edge Booster. It is honestly the best product when it comes to really getting those edges really nice and cute and flat. And I promise it doesn't go anywhere throughout the day. You'll be totally fine. I love this stuff so much. When I've got everything to a really good point, everything's all molded, edges are nice and sleek, everything's good to go, I'm now going to finalize the bun base. So that's what I'm doing here. And now that the bun is finalized, it's time for the hardest part, which is creating the bang. I know you're probably thinking, how is this hard? Well, it is hard for me because I struggle so much with trying to get like even symmetrical parting. And when it comes to doing middle parts, I just genuinely suck. And you will see in this video that I thought that this parting was, in the center, in the middle, straight. Child, it was not. It was definitely off by like an inch. So when you're doing this parting, definitely make sure that you get a few opinions, get a few pictures taken. Definitely just to make sure things are straight and middle and even, and yeah. And as you guys can see, I got so frustrated that I just gave up and I did it off camera and it still wasn't straight. What you guys see me doing now is I'm just wrapping a random bundle of hair that I have laying around here, and I just wrapped it around the bun of my hair like so. And then I went ahead and did a few curls in the hair with my flat iron, and then I made the bun out of that. It's kind of hard to explain how I actually did this whole bun thing, but I don't know, you can make your bun however you want it to be. I just wanted it to be kind of interesting and funky looking, so yeah, that's just what I did. And if you're wondering, the hair that I'm using is actually from Amazon. I can link it down below, so I will definitely do that if you guys are wondering where this hair is from, because this hair is actually amazing. I really like this hair. I love this hair so much, and it's from Amazon. It was really cheap. I think this bundle was 24 inches, and then it was $36 or something like that, not including tax and whatever. But yes, amazing. I love it. When the bun is done, I then just went ahead and glued some pieces of that same bundle of hair into the bangs just to make them a lot longer, because I wanted to curl them and I just wanted them to be really full and pretty. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just parting each side in half and then gluing a little track in there and then curling that piece. So to curl it, again, I used my flat iron and I just curled it inward. I didn't want to curl it outward because I thought that would look weird. So yeah, that's what I did. I just curled it inward. I felt like it framed my face way more than it would if I were to do it the opposite way. It just looks so much better. And again, I have to rave about this hair because it just matched with my hair so nicely. I don't know what it was, but it looks so good. It looks like my hair, does it not? It's so nice. I love it. When all the tracks are glued in, this is now what the hair looks like. And I'm just spraying it with this hairspray that I have. And as you guys can see, I'm just spraying it with a hairspray just to make sure it's really nice and, sealed, flat, all that stuff. And I'm topping it off with this satin scarf that I have, again, just to make sure everything's really nice and flat. It's not going anywhere. And yeah. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Yes, the hair tutorials are coming back and I'm so excited about it. If you did enjoy this video, definitely give it a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Yay! See you guys later. Bye!